Good morning and welcome to Godwin Tech. In this video, I'm going to walk you through on how to start a new page in Word, a mobile version. Maybe you have filled your document with a lot of content, text, pictures, and the rest. And there is one additional page you need to add content in before a particular page of the document. So this will help you to know how to start a new page before those contents you have already, instead of copying them or using the enter button to push everything down. So let's get started. The first step is to access your Word app. I'll swipe up. I use the final search to locate my Word app. So I will type Word in the search space. Alright. I'll tap on the app for it to open. These are some documents I created recently, so I will be explaining this teaching using one of the documents. Okay, so let me work with the one with the change view. So I'll tap on it for it to open. Then I'll tap on the edit button, which is the pen-like icon. Okay. Now let's assume from this beginning of this document we state we are in it today. How do I change the default folder view in Windows 11? Let's assume there are some things I want to have, at the beginning of this page, and the whole text will contain one extra page. Okay, so I need to push all these down and then create a new page. So the fastest way to do that, instead of pushing everything down, is to assign a new page before these text that are here. So how do I go about it? I'll tap on the ribbon display option, which is the arrow that points up by the bottom right. Tap on the home so that you will select the layout tab that will allow us to do that. So that's it. Go with layout. Now, the last command on the layout tab states breaks. Alright, so I will tap on breaks. Then the next thing to do is under the page breaks, I will tap on next page. As you can see, this action now has moved all the text in the previous page down. So I have a new page here. I can start now creating or typing whatever I want to have in this new page. So these are just a few steps so you have to take to create a new page or have a new page in your Word document and start building something you want to have in it from there. I hope this video helps. Please do well to subscribe to my channel, like the video, comment, and drop some updates on what we to talk about in the Word of software. Thank you and stay good.